going on, guys? It's your boy BB here again, and I am back with another video. And in today's video, we all know it is back to school season. Some people just probably want to get something as simple as a laptop, and some people want to build a minimal desk setup either for your room if you're commuting from home to college, or you have a dorm room and you want to buy like a desk and build a minimal desk setup. Nothing too crazy, but could get your work done, gaming and all that kind of stuff. So I have a minimal setup build right here, and I think this should work perfectly for most people who just want something simple. So for the desk, I chose the FlexiSpot N1 one-piece standing desk. This is a 40 by 24 inch standing desk. It's not too big and also not too small. You could put like your laptop, your monitor, your keyboard, your mouse, and even study on here. That I'm talking about your iPad, your book, and still have enough room to get all those things done. So it comes in different colors. You could get it in white, a gray color, a brown color, those kind of colors, whichever one you prefer, depending on the kind of vibe you're going for in your room. I personally chose the white one for this one, and it matches perfectly with this room setup right here. Now this is a motorized desk with adjustable height, so you could have preset for your sitting position, standing position, and even mid-range positions. So you don't want to be sitting down on your desk for hours. You want to get your blood flowing just for health reasons, and also just to make sure you could stay as productive as possible. Now this setup is powered by the M5 MacBook Air. Definitely the best option for anyone who is not trying to get the most expensive laptop but want those performance and doesn't want to get something as cheap as the MacBook Neo or a Chromebook. So if you have the money to spend but are not trying to spend too much, I recommend getting the MacBook Air. It fits in perfectly, it looks clean. You could easily just plug this in and take it out and just get work done while you're on campus, come back home, plug it in with just one USB-C port, and it works perfectly with the setup. So yeah, the MacBook Air, definitely the best laptop of choice. Now the MacBook Air is connected with one USB-C cable to this KTC H27P3 5K monitor. So just like the name, this is a 27-inch monitor with 5K resolution at 60 Hz, and it can actually get down to 1440p resolution, and you'll get up to 120 Hz of refresh rate if you are going to be using this for your PC as well, or you're going to be using it for your console to get like smoother gameplay. So this is a very versatile monitor. Now the good thing about this monitor is it actually powers the MacBook as well. So while it's connected via USB-C to the MacBook, it delivers up to 165 watts of power delivery, so it can charge your laptop while sharing the display with your laptop. So that's a no-brainer. You can also do the same with like Windows laptops as well, so I'll leave a link to that in the description down below. Moving on is the keyboard of choice. So this keyboard is what I use in my actual desk setup. Melgeek Mojo 68 mechanical keyboard. It fits in perfectly. So for example, if you are a programmer, if you are coding, if you are video editing, or just want a really nice keyboard for both gaming productivity, this is the perfect keyboard you would get. I don't think I'll be upgrading anytime soon, but for this setup I think it blends in nicely, it looks good. Now as for the mouse, this is also budget friendly. The mouse I'm using is the Infiq mouse. I don't know the specific name for this one, but it blends it so nice with the entire setup, and it's also ergonomic as well. So you could use this mouse with both your Windows laptop, your MacBook, whatever kind of laptop you're going for, and it works perfectly. Now if you go cheap on any of your accessories in your desk, one of the things I would recommend spending a good amount of money on is going to be the chair, because that's just really good for your back, your posture and stuff like that. And for this setup I went with the FlexiSpot Sentinel Pro ergonomic chair. This is a chair that's very dynamic, super adjustable, and fits perfectly with your body posture. So if you are going to be sitting down for hours doing homework, especially if you are like a software engineering student, you would appreciate every money spent on this chair. The lumbar support adjusts and just contours to your back if you are tall or short. It also has this adjustable leg rest on the bottom as well, so if you're trying to take like a relaxing moment after all your studying and gaming and working all day, you could actually use this, and it fits in perfectly. Now other things in this setup is going to be the AirPod Max. This one is just for the aesthetics. It blends in nicely to the setup, and it actually just hooks right there on the desk. So yeah guys, I just had to make this first back to school video real quick. I'll leave the link to all the items mentioned in the description down below, so make sure you check them out, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Let's get it.